Okay, here I am in Richmond, Virginia. James River's behind me. See skyline. About to go just kind of walk across this bridge, fly the drone. Got an old, I'm assuming Civil War cannon here. And of course, where Richmond was the capital of the southern states back during the Civil War, and Washington was the capital of the northern states. So, and of course, you can see some kind of water turbine over here in the distance. And this is the U.S. Department of Interior National Park Service. So this is the Tredegar Visitor Center, and it's registered in the National Park Service. Of course, the Civil War, American Civil War Museum. Historic Tredegar. Don't get on me if I mispronounce it, folks. And there's the water turbine. I'm assuming it's the original one. Well, close to it. Looks pretty old. That must have been the original front of the building. The little facade, the little brick facade. You see that thing? It's just turning away. Turning. Keeps on turning. Not sure what they used it for. Probably generate some kind of hydroelectric power or something like that. Still pretty cool to see, you know, old Civil War era artifacts. Here's that facade. The entrance to the old building that probably used to stand here. pretty neat. And of course, we're like minutes from, we're actually in downtown. You see a big smokestack over here. And of course, the James River in front of me.